Hey there, crafters! Remember that craft room tour and organization video I promised you ages ago? Well, buckle up because it's finally happening. Yep, I know it's been 2 years overdue, but trust me, this one is worth the wait. After decades of crafting and acquiring all sorts of goodies, I've got a treasure trove of ideas to share with you. To kick off this long-awaited organization spree, I headed straight to Ikea for some of my organization solutions. Yesterday, I'm taking you along to my favorite or one of my favorite places to find organization solutions, especially for my craft room, Ikea. Trust me, if you're looking to whip your crafting space into shape, Ikea is the place to be. Let me tell you why. First off, IKEA offers a wide range of storage options designed to meet the needs of everybody and including crafters like us. Whether you're looking for stackable containers, shelving units, pegboards, or rolling carts, they've got you covered. They also have an array of amazing showrooms that can give you inspiration in case you're in a rut and you don't know where to start. But perhaps the best thing about IKEA is the affordability and accessibility of their products. You don't have to break the bank to get your craft room in order, and with IKEA stores located all over the world, finding what you need is a breeze. These up-the-terra trays are perfect for segregating the different materials or items that you have if ever you have a work in progress. They also come in different configurations. I fell in love with this Kallax shelf units earlier on, and I knew I needed an additional one to actually organize everything that I have right now. The nice thing about this Kallax units are you can use them upright or on its side. It is indeed very, very useful, and it comes in different configurations: 2x2, 3x2, 4x6, and so on and so forth. This Pagebo shelf unit is actually an awesome one. For one, it is very affordable and it is made of steel. So if you want to store books or other things that you have in your craft room like tools and machines, this might be a perfect one for you. I wanted to add additional storage on top of my desks, and this Ekbi Alex drawer actually was the perfect solution for what I was looking for. It wasn't very deep, it wasn't very high as well, just perfect for an additional drawer on top of my desk. Okay, in this section of IKEA is where I got a lot of storage solutions in terms of desks and drawers. So this one is the Lennart drawer unit. It's very versatile and it's very affordable as well. And eventually I'll show you what I used it for. And these are what we call your the different kinds of legs that they have. I actually have several of this. They're called adils, and they're very affordable as well. This is an Alex drawer, and I have several of this. And what I did was to get some of these, and I placed several tabletops that are actually very affordable as well. Some of them are the Linman tabletop, which comes in different lengths, and some I used are lag captain, again comes in different lengths as well, and colors, but of course I like the white. I also love this Helmer drawer on casters. For one, since it has casters, it can easily be moved, and it's metal, so it's quite heavy duty. This is an Eloven. It's a monitor stand with drawer, and I find it really, really useful because it can keep the clutter on your desk at bay, after using your keyboards or your mouse and other things that you have on your desk. You can easily store them back in on the drawers where it is found underneath the top where you actually can put your monitor. This laptop stand is something that I find really, really useful. It doesn't eat up a lot of space. You can actually fold that when you're not using it and easily store it to the side. So that's one that is really very nice. Finally, this is the Trotten desk. This is the desk that I settled on because it's a sit stand desk, but I got one that is white. I like the fact that you can, make it go up and down manually, though, because the one that is electronic is quite expensive, but this is actually very much affordable and very easy to crank. All you need to do, if you're not going to use it, the lever, okay, that you use to crank it, you just push it in, and that's it. This Trotten desk is also available in different colors and in different sizes. I got the one that's the biggest, I think. These are clip-on baskets. They're called Palic, and they come in various designs and sizes as well. So I find this is actually originally meant for kitchen, right? To be placed on the shelves, and so that you can still use, the under shelf space, like for example, glasses, spices, and all these things. I actually found several ways to actually use it in my craft room, and that I will reveal in the next video. If you are liking this video thus far, I hope that you would consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell, and please don't forget to hit that like button. Are some Variera shelf units and other configurations of the different Palic units that they have. Some are wide, some are narrower, and there's even one that normally is used for glasses with handles or tissue, or napkins. The stoja is originally a cutlery tray, but I find very useful again to segregate materials that I am using when I'm currently working on a specific project. Again, it comes in different variations. The Raskog cart is one of the many available carts that you can find in IKEA, but for crafters, we know that this one is really versatile and heavy duty. The Risotorp is a very versatile basket, and I actually use it to store my fabrics and some of my ribbons. The corken comes in a set of 3 pieces, and it has a tight covering that is best for storing, small things or trinkets in your craft room. Also, this Rajtan is an awesome option. Now, this one comes in a set of 4. I have found a very unique purpose for the skatan in my craft room, and I will reveal that as well in the next video. Again, this is a very affordable container. This Naribi container is also a very functional one, multifunctional one, and it's also made of fabric. I will show you also in the next video how I actually made use of this one. The Sunursta is actually a rail with 4 hooks and 2 containers. It is very affordable and it is so easy to use, and yet you can store so many. So I actually really recommend this system for anybody's craft room. No matter what the size of your craft space is, absolutely this is going to be a great organizational solution for you. Finally, the SCADIS. The SCADIS is IKEA's pegboard system, and I absolutely love it. And so you will see that I actually have several of these in my craft room, and I will show you how I actually use them again in the next video. It was a beautiful surprise to actually find a lot of awesome things in the kids section, from paper holders to small, intricate, or tiny holders. I found them all in the kids section. And finally, to the marketplace. So the marketplace is where most, if not all, of the smaller items that you found in the upper floors can be found. These are actually bag containers, which are really very useful. And of course, there are some beautiful but affordable trash cans that every crafter needs. IKEA also has a wide variety of resealable bags that are very affordable, and they also have very nice designs in each of them. There are also this very, very small containers like this that I really have found very useful, especially when I do mixed media techniques in my crafting. This Irja curtain rod, which is very, very affordable, is something that I actually found a purpose in my craft room. I will reveal it as well in the craft room tour video. This Searlig clips actually came in very, very useful. We did see a sneak peek of this Cadiz pegboard in the upper floor, but here you can actually see the different variations in terms of size, color, and the different accessories that you can use for your pegboard. IKEA also has metal boards that may come in black or white. And for crafters like us who are into paper crafting, this is one thing that can, help us in terms of storing our most used, dies for die cutting. And this Osdala wire memo board is actually a fun way to showcase your cards or photos. This Vattencar desktop shelf is a great way to actually expand your storage on your desk. The Tajaba magazine file holder is actually meant for that, but you can also use that to store or hold your papers in your craft room. And these are the different kinds of dronas or inserts that you can use for your Kallax units. So there you have it, folks. IKEA is truly a crafter's paradise when it comes to organization solutions for your craft room. If you haven't already, I highly recommend checking them out for yourself. Happy organizing, and until next time, happy crafting. Please watch out for the actual craft room tour reveal.